Just going skiing. You're not going? Wait, so you live in Utah and you don't ski? We need to talk. I'm going to talk to you about why if you live in Utah, you need to ski Utah. But why trust me? Well, I've skied since I was 3 years old. That's 350 times over the years. I've skied everywhere in Utah, in Colorado, in Canada. I know what the ski scene has to offer. Well, why do you care? Well, you now live in one of the ski capitals of the world, and I don't want you to miss out on an opportunity to ski Utah. So, first I'm going to introduce to you winter sports in Utah, which on its own should convince you to ski. But then I'm going to take you through the concerns that I'm sure you have if you're not skiing right now. So first, winter sports in Utah. Forbes magazine did an article about the top 10 places to ski in North America. Utah had 2 in the top 5. USA Today did a similar article, top 20 places to ski. Utah had 5 in the top 20. About.com wrote an article and ranked the Winter Olympics in Utah as one of the top 5 Winter Olympics ever in the history of the Winter Olympics. Living in Utah and not being a part of the ski scene is like living in Hawaii and not surfing, like living in Italy and not eating pizza, like going to BYU and not going on an awkward first date with someone from your singles board. It's just what you have to do. But I understand, you might have some concerns if you're not skiing. So first, maybe skiing's expensive. Is it? First, Liftopia. Liftopia.com is a place where you can buy heavily discounted ski passes. $35 for a day ski pass. $23 for a night ski pass. And BYU Outdoors Unlimited is where you can rent your ski equipment. $12 to rent your equipment. So, $23 for your night skiing pass, $12 for your equipment. That is cheaper than dinner and a movie. How many times have you wasted money on dinner and a movie when you could be skiing? So, skiing is expensive? Doesn't have to be. But skiing can also be challenging. Well, if you go to BYU, BYU offers a class every single winter semester where they will teach you how to ski. They'll take you straight from campus to Sundance and back twice a week. So if you go to BYU, you have no excuse for why skiing is difficult. Skiing can be painful or scary. And I'm not going to lie to you. Skiing's both. But listen to something that Theodore Roosevelt said. He said this: "Nothing in the world is worth having or worth doing unless it means effort, pain, or difficulty." Now, fear is a thief, and do not let fear rob you of the opportunity to ski Utah. Skiing can also be time-consuming, but take a look at this. This is a map of all of the ski resorts in Utah. See, here's the Wasatch Front right here, and here we are in Provo, okay? You are within, if you live in Provo, you live within 1 hour of 7 world-class ski resorts. See these blue dots? And these orange ones and this purple one? 7 ski resorts. If you lived an hour from Disneyland, I promise you would go. So, skiing's time-consuming? Not if you go to those 7 resorts. So, skiing, expensive? Challenging? Scary? Time-consuming? I don't think so. In closing, Listen to what Ernest Hemingway said about skiing. Now, Ernest Hemingway legitimately said this. He said, "It was the end we worked all winter for, and all the winter built to make it possible." Skiing was built for winter. Winter was built for skiing. Utah was built for both. So, ski Utah.